I've been working with Chase for just about 4 months now. I grew up racing amateur stuff and wasn't very good, and that's why I'm here. You know, it's me, it's his dad, it's his trainer. We're all at his right hand. The riders can be emotional, so I just I be calm and then try to keep them calm as well. It's just kind of who I am, and it's been working, so I keep it going. And yeah, we're just coming off a victory in San Diego, and I was super excited to get the win. My first 450 win, his first 450 win, and our first win together. It was an amazing experience, super happy, and hopefully can keep it going.